Hello guys, welcome to Techavro channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Gemini for script writing on mobile. So guys, using Gemini for script writing on mobile, Gemini is a powerful AI tool that help you write scripts easily on your mobile. You can simply type your topic or idea and Gemini will create well-structured dialogues, scenes and storylines. It helps you save time, improve your creativity and make your script more professional. You can also edit, rewrite or get suggestion instantly, making the writing process smoother and faster. It's perfect for students, content creators and anyone who wants to write high quality scripts directly from their phone. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.